This problem here is straight out of your textbook. I suggest you pause the video for a few seconds and just have a look at the question. Now, reading through the question, it talks about a coast guard who is sitting on top of a cliff. So just up the top here, I've drawn the cliff. And as with all 3D questions, you should have an axis here representing north, east, south and west. And notice how we've skewed it to represent the 3D. Now, from here, it says he observes a small ship due east of him. Okay, and he notes that the angle of depression is 40 degrees. So here is the Coast Guard, and down here is the small ship. So we've drawn that in there. The angle of depression is exactly the same as the angle of elevation there, so that's 40 degrees. Now, he also noticed some dangerous rocks due south of the Coast Guard. So due south down here, and that's an angle of depression of 20 degrees. So again, we'll draw a line down to there, and that angle has to be 20 degrees. Okay, now the problem he's asking is to find the distance, and I'll just change the colour here, to find the distance between the rocks and the ship. So I'll draw a line from those 2 points there, and that green line is what we're going to be finding in this problem. Now let's just label those points. We'll call the top here G for the Coast Guard, we'll call this S for the ship, we'll call this R for the rocks, and we'll give the bottom of the cliff O. Okay, so that's how you go about drawing the 3D diagram.